We are going on the Big Falls Trail hike. There's supposed to be 2 waterfalls, and we'll see. The first one's supposed to be close by. And then we'll see if they probably, I think we saw a sign that said that they closed the second one. But here's a little glimpse of the water. Tastes good. How clear this water is. Did you taste it? Is it good? Is it cold?
Tastes good.
It does?
Yeah.
We're here at the first waterfall. So we're now heading to the second fall. We're not really sure where we're going, but so far you can already see waterfalls over there. There. There it is. So Robert and Nolan went down here to get over there. We decided to stay behind. Alright, we're coming back. I forgot to record on our way there, so coming back. Gotta cross this little river.
Hopefully the guy doesn't get moved on the fall.
Wow! Yay! We all made it! We just came across that little river. That one's a little bit more difficult than the previous one. We're on our way to Alder Creek. A little hike. Look what I found. A little cactus garden. Look at this. That's so cute. And there's some over here too. Wow, it looks really sharp. Let me see. Let me test it out. Oh. Wow. Very much so. Robert wants to use it as a toothpick.
Oh, got it.
Got it? Let me see.
Man,
This
it's
is
in there
your
good.
toothpick?
Yeah, toothpick.
Look at how pretty these rocks are. Look at that. Such a pretty coral color. These are yuccas. Yucca plant. Getting into desert territory. Lots of cactus. Oh! I didn't even see that. Look at that. Got my boba here, and we're going to the Ridge Trail, which is where we can see really pretty views, and the sunset is supposed to be really nice. So hopefully we can do that, but here's what it looks like. All right, let's go. Wow.
Ah, pretty good, huh?
Yeah.